Are you brand new to Instagram TV, also known as IGTV? You're thinking, great, another platform I have to try to think of content to put on and try to manage and try to figure out how to use, and this is just getting really confusing and really irritating. Don't worry, I got all the help you need right here in this video. Hi, my name is Nicholas Ayers, owner and founder of Major League Video Marketing. I teach small business owners how to make money online by getting their content, their message, and their brand in front of their ideal customers and prospects. And in this video, I'm gonna break down how you can leverage and utilize IGTV for your company, whether you're an insurance agent, a real estate agent, a loan officer, whether you clean pools for a living or kill bugs, it doesn't really matter. We're gonna teach you how you can leverage this platform with content to build your brand, which will ultimately build your bottom line. Stay tuned. All right, let's get started by pulling up IGTV here on the side. So basically, the first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna wanna go into your app store, whether you're on Apple or whether you're on Android, and you're gonna wanna download the IGTV app. Once you have the IG app set up on your phone and you open it up, Instagram is gonna show you some videos from your Instagram friends if they've uploaded any IGTV content. It's also going to suggest videos that it thinks that you might be interested in. So check your browser history. Now, one of the most interesting, if not the most interesting aspect of IGTV is the fact that it shoots all of its content using vertical video. So if you have a camera on your phone, then you would just hold it regularly. If you're using a DSLR or a mirrorless camera, you're simply gonna wanna take that camera and turn it vertically to shoot your content. We're gonna get more into vertical video because that's a really hot topic more towards the end. Another thing that separates IGTV from just regular old Instagram is on Instagram, you can take video and photos within the app itself. With IGTV, this is different. You're going to need to upload the video either from your camera phone, which is just in your gallery, or if you're using a DSLR or a mirrorless camera or anything that utilizes anything like an SD card, then you just want to pop that bad boy right into your computer, upload to Google Drive or Dropbox, and then pull it from there off of your phone. After you click next, then you're gonna go to a screen where it's gonna ask you to upload a cover photo, a title, and a description. These are the things that people will see and read that's gonna make them think, is this worth my time? Should I even click on this? So you wanna be very strategic and creative when naming your video, when giving it a cover photo, or when writing out your description. The good news is that if you're not a designer and you can't design a thumbnail, you can pull a thumbnail from one of the still frames that's inside of your video. When it comes to utilizing your description, one thing that you can do, and a tip that I found that will work well for you, is you can use hashtags here. So if you have got a popular hashtag for your business, or you've got a hashtag that you know is going to be discoverable, that people are looking for, you can utilize that hashtag inside of your description. Once you've uploaded your video, once you've given it a title, a cover photo, and a description, you can watch your video, and you can also share or watch other people engage with your video. You can also view the video's insights. You can see what's going on, the average watch time, you can see the number of views. You get a little bit more on the analytics inside of the video after you've uploaded it. All right, that's the basics on how to set it up. I'm sure you guys will figure it out. I mean, this isn't rocket science. Instagram, like Facebook, has made the platform very intuitive, very intelligent, very easy to navigate. So I'm sure you guys will have no problem figuring out how to set it up, how to put a video on Instagram TV, how to get it out to the people who are following you on Instagram. I'm sure that part is going to come very natural to most of you. What I want to talk about is the different content strategies and what you should be putting on this platform, because this platform is different than your YouTube, your Facebook, your Instagram, your Snapchat, wherever it is that you're distributing video. And the real reason why it's different is because, like I said before, it's vertical video. Now, you're probably thinking, vertical video, who cares? Well, think about it. If people are spending most of their time and they're only going to be watching this content on their phone, you have to get very smart and very creative on what you're going to put on here. I think what you put on your regular YouTube channel or your Facebook or any other platform is going to be a little bit different. And for those of you who are just starting out with video, I think Instagram TV is a lifesaver for you guys. This is really where you can get started and getting comfortable on camera. So often, I talk to people, small business owners, who tell me, Nick, I am scared of being on camera. They don't outright always say those exact words, but that's really what it is. People are fearful about being on camera. They don't know what to say, they don't know what to do, they don't even know what to do with their hands. They're confused and they're paralyzed by fear. And so I think Instagram TV is the perfect platform to get started because you're utilizing just your cell phone in vertical format. And so where cinematic video or traditional video has always been widescreen, meaning we've always said turn your camera to the side and talk at it or point and shoot this way because it's easy for people to read left and right, and that's always how we've always consumed video content. Well, now Instagram TV is different, and now we have vertical content. And so horizontal video, I believe, has always been good for your storytelling. It's always been good to kind of present a message, whereas I believe vertical video, the power in vertical video is going to be found in direct one-on-one communication, more personalization. I believe horizontal video is great for broad market, vertical video is great for specific, more intimate, don't get your mind twisted, more intimate video where you can have a more in-depth conversation with somebody or discussion. I think vertical video is going to be a great place to start a vlog or a daily or weekly show. If you're an insurance agent or realtor, if you're in business, use the couple minutes that they give you, keep the content light and short, and really just document what's going on in your office, in your culture, document what's going on in your industry. Use it as a more direct, to the point, pinpointed, spearfishing method when it comes to your video content. Be broad with what you put on YouTube, be broad with sometimes what you put on Facebook, but use Instagram TV to be very, very specific. Another reason why it's good for novices or beginners, or really anybody, but specifically novices and beginners to utilize Instagram TV is because while you can use a camera, while you can do other things, nobody's really looking for that just yet. Nobody's really expecting that. People are using their phone to create the content and watch the content. And so it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to have edits. It doesn't have to have lighting. I mean, those things are all great, don't get me wrong. I mean, especially lighting. But you don't have to have like this studio setup to tell a story. Just hold the video. The only tip is hold the video perpendicular to your face. Don't do it like this or like this. Just give it, straight on, and just talk at it, and set it on a desk, and just be very level, and just use it as a great way to communicate in a very authentic, unpolished manner. Guys, there's a lot. I mean, the universe is opened up for so many people with this platform. I'm really excited to see where it goes. I'm really excited to see the number of people who are going to jump into using Instagram TV as a means to develop their content game, develop their messaging, and so that they can also diversify with what they're doing. If you're somebody who's already experienced the video and you've got a great YouTube channel or you're great on Facebook or wherever, I highly encourage you. I'm going to be jumping more into Instagram TV, making that a heavy platform for its usage. If you're watching this video on YouTube or Facebook, make sure you do us a favor, subscribe to our channel, like the video. It would really, really help us out. I'd really, really appreciate it. If you're watching this on Facebook, like our page, join our free private Facebook group where we teach business owners more tactics and tips on how they can leverage video marketing in their business to build their brand and ultimately improve their bottom line. I'll see you soon.